How to download Trust Wallet on Android. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to guide you on how you can download the Trust Wallet app on Android, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to actually download the Trust Wallet application on your Android, it's very simple to do so. All you have to do is go ahead and then first of all open up your Play Store on Android and make sure you're logged into your internet, by the way. So once you're connected to internet, now you can simply go ahead and launch the Trust Wallet application here. Then once you launch a Trust Wallet app, you'll see the first app called Trust Crypto and Bitcoin Wallet. So you'll have to tap on the blue install button over there. Now previously it used to be green color, now it's blue. And once you've done that, depending upon the strength of your internet connection, it will actually begin to download. And this is how you can download the Trust Wallet app on Android. I hope that the video helped you. If you have got any questions, queries, or doubts, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and as always, see you soon in the next video.